Hey guys, welcome back to the DeFi Passive Income YouTube channel. So today we are going to take a look over 3R crypto protocol, and this protocol is a little bit different than all the other previous projects because they claim that they will give you double rewards just by holding their token into your MetaMask wallet. So it's a double rewards protocol, dual reward with auto staking, auto compounding and BUSD reflections as well. So this is their token address, which you can add to your MetaMask wallet if you are holding these coins to track their value. So it's a first rebase auto staking with BUSD reflections, and they will give you up to 8% BUSD reflections. And these reflections are paid every 15 minutes just by holding their TripleR token into your wallet. Currently they are giving an APY of 385,945%. And moving on to the tokenomics, there is a 16% buying fees and 18% sale fees. How much can I earn? So suppose if you buy $1,000 worth of TripleR tokens, then at the end of the year you will earn $3.8 million. I always assume these to be gimmicky because no one holds these tokens for that long period of time. And it is really hard to sustain a project for over a year with these extreme APYs. 2% of all the trades are burned in auto fire pit. The more that is burned, the more get put into the fire, causing the fire pit to grow in size larger and larger. So they are burning 2% of all the trades. That's it. And this is their treasury. 3% of all buys and 4% of all the sales go to the treasury. Go to their white paper and see what they have done there. So this is their TripleR dividend fund, or 3DF, serves as an BUSD reflection to achieve most profitable stability and long-term sustainability of the 3R crypto protocol by maintaining a consistent 0.023% rebase rate, which will be paid to all the TripleR token holders. So this is their roadmap for the 2022. As you can see, there are a lot of things coming down the line. So this is their Pinksale page, and as you can see, they are KYC'd and audited by the Pinksale itself. You can click over these links and read all the audits and KYC that they have done. Audit has been done by the Cyberscope. You can read it all you want. Coming back to their Pinksale sales page, 3R is the first triple reward system. It is also the first dual token reward that gives holder 8 to 9% of BUSD reflection, making it a double earning. So as you can see, their aim was 100 BNB, and currently there are 128 BNBs in the Pinksale. And currently there are 2 days and 21 hours left for this Pinksale. So I think, yeah, people are quite interested in this protocol. So guys, this is it. This is the 3R crypto protocol. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. And guys, this is not a financial advice. I am not your financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing in these crypto protocols, as these are super risky and super rewarding. And if you like the content, please hit that subscribe button for more future videos like this.